Morning student, myself Gadak sir from Sram Shakti Vidyaniketan, Malwa School. Friends, we are learning math subject for the 7th standard. So up to the last lecture, we have seen the operations on a rational number. That means we have seen different types of operations which we can perform on the rational numbers. So up to the last lecture, we have seen that what do we mean by the rational numbers. Okay. So the number which contain the numerator and denominators. Also, the numerator may be the positive, negative. Then that numbers are called as rational numbers. So we have seen four types of basic operations on the rational numbers. Which are that? Addition of rational number, subtraction of rational number, multiplication of rational number, and division of rational number. So I think from the last lecture all of you have got the proper idea about the multiplication and division of the operations on the rational numbers. So into the today's lecture we are going to find out the number in between the given two rational numbers. Okay. So our today's topic is number in between the given rational numbers. Okay, number in between the given rational numbers. That means if two numbers which is the rational numbers, if two rational numbers are given, then you have to find out which are the numbers in between the rational numbers. So before starting with that, look on that. There is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like that. This line, this is the number line. Okay. So like that. So adding middle on the number line, adding middle there is 0, which is not positive angle. From the right side of the 0, there will be the positive number. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or maybe continue. And on the left side of the 0, there are negative number minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 2. Okay. That means from 1 to 10, how many units are there? Again 10 units are there. 9 units are there, and that 2 is 10. That means that is 1 by 1, 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 1 by 4, 1 by 5, like that. 1 by 5, 1 by 6, 1 by 7, 1 by 8, 1 by 9, and 2. After in between 2 to 3, there will be 2 by 1, 2 by 2, 2 by 3, 2 by 4, like that. Okay. That means into the rational numbers we have studied that the numerator may be the positive or negative. So if you want to find out the number in between the rational number, how to find out the number, that we are going to see. Okay. Okay. So for the example, suppose I have the number like that 1 by 7 or 1 by 3 and 1 by 7, or suppose I have the number which is 1 by 7 and 4 by 7. Okay, that are the two rational numbers, 1 by 7 and 4 by 7. So 1 by 4, 1 by 7 and 4 by 7 both are rational numbers. That means from 1 by 7 to the 4 by 7 there are some numbers. So which are the rational numbers that we are going to find out. Okay. So all of you look here. Denominator of this rational number is also 7, and denominator of this rational number also 7. That means both the numbers having same denominator. So if the denominators are same, so 1 by 7. If denominators are same, then only the numerators are changing. If denominator are same, only numerators are changing. So after the 1, which number will come? 2. Denominator will again same. After the 2, which number will come? 3. So 3 by 7, 7 is 6. then 4 by 7. That means in between 1 by 7 and 4 by 7, how many numbers are there? 2 numbers are there. Which is that 2 by 7 and 3 by 7. Like that we can find out the numbers in between the rational numbers if the denominators are same. Now suppose I have the number 5 by 9 and 8 by 9. Then how I will find out? Or 12 by 9. 5 by 9 and 12 by 9. That two rational numbers I have, and I have to find out the number in between 5 by 9 and 12 by 9. So first I will see that the denominators of both the rational numbers. So denominator is 9, denominator is 9. That means both the denominators are same. That means only numerator are same. Denominator is same. That's why numerator is same. So after the 5, which digit will come? 6 by 9. Up we have to go up to that way. So 6, 7 by 9, then 8 by 9, 9 by 9, 10 by 9, 11 by 9, and last one 12 by 9. So that's are the number in between 5 and 9 and 12 by 9. So that's are the number, rational number in between the 5 by 9 and 12 by 9. Okay. Now I think all of you understand how to identify or how to find out the number in between the given rational number where denominator is same. But now look here. Now look, suppose I have the number that is 2 by 3 and the second number is like that 6 by 7. Okay, first number is 2 by 3, second number is 6 by 7, and I have to find out the numbers in between the two rational numbers. Now how I will find? Because into this number, into this rational number, both the denominators are same. That's why I am able to find out the numbers in between the rational numbers. But here denominator is 3 and here denominator is 6. That means both the denominators are different. Now how I will find out the numbers in between the given two rational numbers? So for that purpose, if denominators are same, you can find out easily the numbers in between the rational numbers. But if denominators are different, that means if denominators are not same, first you have to make the denominator as a same. Okay, which we have seen into the addition and subtraction of the rational number. So for making the denominator as the same, what we will do? We will multiply the denominator of the second number by the first numerator and denominator, and denominator of the first number to the denominator and numerator of the second number. So which is the first number? 2 by 3. Now denominator to the 2 by 3, by which number I have to multiply? Denominator of second number. So which is the denominator of second number? That is 7. So 2 into 7 divided by 3 into 7. So 2 sevens are 14 and 3 sevens are 21. That's why that 2 by 3 becomes 14 by 21. Now second number, which is the second number? 6 by 7. Now I have to multiply that second number numerator and denominator by the first number denominator. So denominator of first number is 3. So 6 into 3, 7 into 3. 6 3s are 18 and 7 3s are 21. Now you see, if you see the both numbers 14 by 21 and 18 by 21, denominators are same. Now if the denominators are same, I can easily find out the number in between the given rational number. So which is the smaller rational number, 14 by 21 or 18 by 21? Obviously 14 by 21 in this way, because denominator is same. So the number which contains the smaller numerator, that is small. So 14 by 21 I will write here. That is the first number. Now second number. Now I have to find out that number in between that rational number is I have converted that another rational number by making the denominator as a same. So now if I want to find out the number in between these two rational numbers, I can simply write down the number in between these two new rational numbers. So first number is 14 by 21, 14 by 21, and last number is 18 by 21. So I have to find out the number in between 14 by 21 to 18 by 21. So 14 by 21, then after that 14, 15 by 21, 16 by 21, 17 by 21, and last number is 18 by 21. So that three numbers are in between, that 2 by 3 and 6 by 6. That is in between 14 by 21 and 18 by 21. Like that, you can find out the number in between the rational numbers. Though the denominators are same or denominators are different. If denominators are same, you can find out easily the numbers in between rational numbers. But if denominators are different, first you have to convert that number into the equal denominator. So for making the equal denominator, what we will do? We will multiply first number numerator and denominator by the denominator of second number. So 2 into 7, 3 into 7. That number becomes 14 by 22. And for the second number, numerator and denominator we will multiply by denominator of first. So 6 3s are 18 and 7 3s are 20. So that number becomes 14 by 20 and 18 by 20. So denominators of that both numbers are same. So I can easily write down the numbers in between the two numbers. Okay. That is the idea of finding the rational number in between the given numbers. Okay. So in your page 38, page number 38, in your book on page number 38, there is practice set 23. So into that practice set 23, there is question. Write 3 rational numbers that lie between the two given numbers. Okay. So that we are going to see from your exercise. We will take some numericals. Okay. First numerical is very simple. First is 2 by 7 and 6 by 7. That means denominators are same. And if denominators are same, we have to only write down the next number for the numerators. Okay. So that numbers in between the given numbers that we can find out easily. Okay. Now second example is like that 4 by 5 and 2 by 3. Here 4 by 5 and 2 by 3 denominators are not same. 4 by 5 and 2 by 3. Here denominators are different. That means first we have to convert it into the equal denominator. So for converting it into equal denominator, first number we have to multiply by denominator of second number. So denominator of second number is 3. So 4 into 3, 5 into 3, 5 into 3. So 4 3s are 12, 5 3s are 15. That number becomes 12 by 15. Now 2 by 3. Okay. That 2 by 3 second number. We have to multiply it by the denominator of first number. So 2 multiplied by 5 and 3 multiplied by 5. So 2 5s are 10 and 3 5s are 15. Now that numbers become equal denominator number. So 15 is here, 15 is here. That means now we can easily write out the numbers in between the two numbers. So which is the smaller number? That is 10 by 15. So 10 by 15. After 10 by 15, 11 by 15 and 12 by 15. So that is the number in between the given rational numbers. So I think all of you are able to find out the number in between the rational numbers. Now third number is like that. Third number question is like that. That is second number question. Third number question is like that. Minus 2 by 3. Okay. Minus 2 by 3 and 4 by 5. Minus 2 by 3 and 4 by 5. Now here that number is negative number. That number is positive number. Though the both numbers are rational number, but one is negative, one is positive. So denominators are not same. So first I have to make it same. So minus 2 by 3 divided by, so 2 into 5, 3 into minus 10 by 50. and that number 4 by 5. So 4 by 5, and again I have to multiply it by denominator of plus 2 number is 3. So 12 by. Now here denominator is same for the whole number. That means I can find out the numbers in between the given number. So which is the smaller number? Minus 10 by 15 or 12 by 15? Obviously that number contains minus sign. That means it is a negative number. That means it is smaller number. Minus 10 by 15. After the minus 10 by 15, which number will come? 11 by 15 or minus 9 by 15? Obviously minus 9 by 15. Minus 9 by 15, minus 8 by 15, minus 7 by 15. Like that, minus 6, minus 5, minus 5 by 15, minus 4 by 15, minus 3 by 15, minus 2 by 15, minus 1 by 15. After minus 1 there will be the 0. Then after the 0 there will be the 1 by 15, 2 by 15. Like that you have to continue up to the 12 by 15. So that much are the numbers in between the given rational numbers. Okay. Now I think all of you are able to find out the numbers in between the given rational number. Now one more example, that is last 8 number example, that is 0 and minus 3 by 4. 0 and minus 3. Now that minus 3 by 4 and 0. That means I have to come from the minus 3 by 4. After minus 3 by 4, minus 2 by 4. Then minus 1 by 4. And after the minus 1 by 4, there will be this two. That are the two numbers in between the given rational numbers. Instead of that minus 3 by 4, if there is a 3 by 4, then what we will do? 0 is smaller or 3 by 4 is smaller? Obviously 0 is smaller. So I will start from 3, 0, 1 by 4, 2 by 4 and 3. Last number, that are the two numbers in between the given rational numbers. Like that we can find out the numbers in between the rational numbers. So into the today's lecture we have learned that how to find out the rational number in between the given number. So remaining question from practice set 23, you have to solve it at your home. Okay, thank you friends.